Hi there, this is Uma Prajapati. I'm a fashion designer, social entrepreneur and activist. I'm going to give you insight about conscious buying trends. You know what happens when easiest answer of hyper-consumerism is today? Stop buying. Do you see that in you? That when we want to be conscious, we withdraw. Is this the answer? Cheap products are very expensive. When the brands are using year-long sale, pushing people through social media to buy more, creating huge amount of waste, polluting our river and adding to global warming. Is my withdrawal is answer to hyper-consumerism? Surely no. Not buying is not an option. You have the power. Use it. Buy less, but buy good quality. Buy handmade. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Let's be in touch.